Hello viewer, welcome to my channel. This is Imraz Kanratin. In my previous video, I already showed how we can add Bootstrap into our project. You will get that link in description part. This is my second video on Bootstrap where I'm gonna show a basic web page using Bootstrap. First, I will show the basic grid system of Bootstrap. This is the basic Bootstrap grid system. In every row, Bootstrap will have maximum of 12 columns. What does it mean? Let's see an example to understand it. It will be the output of my today's video. I'm gonna make a simple web page which will have a left menu, a right menu, and a main content on center. So let's start. First, I'm gonna take a container class div class container. I'm gonna take a row class div. In this row, I will take three divs, one for left menu, one for right menu, and one for main container, which will place in center. So div left menu. This is for main content. And this is for right menu. To understand, in every div, I'm gonna take another div for custom CSS. So let's take div plus say custom div, same as let's create a custom div style, add style sheet, style.css, background color, text align, font size large, margin 2 pixel, mean height, and font color white. Now I'm going to apply grid systems of Bootstrap. So my left menu will take 2 columns, main center will take 8 columns, and right menu will take 2 columns. 2 plus 8 plus 2 means 12. So call mid 2 plus call mid 8 and call mid 2. 2, 8, 2. Overall 12 columns in this row. Let's add our custom CSS file on header part. Let's see the output of this page. View in browser. Here we can see the Bootstrap is working. When I do a small of this browser, it will automatically adjust its area. Okay, done. In my next video, I will show that how we can manage same divs but for multiple devices. If you like this video, then please like, comment and share, and obviously subscribe my channel for new video tutorials. Thank you.